From Great Taste of Las Vegas. Today we're going to make ricotta almond cookie. Okay, first of all, we're going to make 1/3 of this big 32 ounces in the mix. And we make a wet liquid in here first. So we're going to put 1.5 cup of milk, 3 big tablespoons of yogurt. I like yogurt. 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1.5 cup of oil. And I use coconut oil here. This is a 1/2 cup. Okay, so now we have a liquid ready to go. I'm going to put in here total 9 cup of flour. 9 cup total, combining of whatever you want. But I want 3 and 3 of this, or you can do more of this and less of that. So it's up to you. Got a dry 1 cup right here. We do 1. This is 2 so far, so we put in 2. Total, this is like 3 cup over here, so we use all the coconut flour in here. 1 cup of sugar first. Yeah, and then I don't like sugars too much, so I will leave it like 1 cup only. And use a little chopstick to mix all the flour and sugar together. Okay, so now we're going to gradually add the liquid to make cookies. Combine the wet ingredient with a dry ingredient right here. We just mix them really good. We need a little bit more milk to bind them together. We can either use water here or milk to make it more mixable. Use your hand there. The batter is like this, but because I add extra flour, it's dry right now, so we need it to bind better. We're going to add in some oat milk. Just add gradually. We also should add coconut oil, half of that in here too. Some cranberry and raisin into this mix. We keep adding oil and oat milk in until it kind of like this. That's the consistency I'm looking for right there. Soft and smooth. Okay, so here's, I take the dough out, roll it flat, then make into a shape and ready to bake it. And we just turn the oven on. Okay, so this one's ready to go in. What I do, I'm going to brush some egg wash on top. I beat 2 eggs with a little bit of sugar, just brush on top to make it nice. And then we also add a little bit of sugar on top of this. Okay, 18 minutes is done. We're going to check on our cookie. Here's our ricotta cheese, cranberry raisin healthy cookie. And it tastes really good. I hope you enjoy it, watching it. Always make healthy cookie. You can eat it and freeze it and serve with fresh cucumber juice. From Great Taste of Las Vegas, thanks for watching.